I like this texture, rusty wave, this one. And actually, everyday customer will buy this type of hair. You see how bouncy it is. You can shave your hair like this. This is very natural. This is a standard density. And we can make it much more volume, much more fuller if you like. But this one I think is already very good. This one. You see this texture is very gorgeous. How the hair is striking like this. Loose deep wave, like this one. This is the lace wave. And let me show you the body wave. This one. I like it very much. This one. And this straight hair, no doubt, is a bomb. It's really a bomb. This one is the standard density. To me, it's a standard density, and we can make it much more fuller, more volume. For some customers who like much more volume, this one is already very good. It's a bomb. This one, you see how? This one, like it, and especially the color is very natural. Okay.